Hey, what's up guys, Super Electro Beast, and today I found quite an unusual video. A video that made me a little sick. I feel like it was kind of bad and I should have made a reaction video for it, and it was a reaction video to this Ratchet ass girl. Holy shit. You know what I'm talking about now, right? Now this guy, hey little buddy, he's my roommate. Hey Jesse. He hasn't seen the video yet. It's kind of a puss. Yeah, you little puss. You little puss. Okay, I'm just fucking with him. So, I want to go and record his reaction to it. This is gonna be good. Okay, so, here we go. Let's just go. So this is Giovanni Plowman, your lady.
Do I have to do this?
You have to go and watch the whole video, and I'm just gonna record it. I'm just gonna be the silent guy.
You gotta get that trash can ready, man.
Yeah.
I just want to say, I'm not pulling any tricks. There's nothing here. There's nothing on the floor. Just a normal bathroom.
Yeah, it's a normal bathroom.
Okay. Yeah, well, I'm gonna, like, pull it out and then, like, show you. But, yeah. Okay. Oh, it's gonna be so weird.
See, that's not the disgusting part. She's just taking her tampon out.
Okay.
There's nothing wrong with that. That's just a, I mean, it's just a little bloody. You know what I mean? Just a little blood. You ever gotten a paper cut? You ready for this?
Don't fucking do it. Don't do it.
Okay, I have water here to like drink it, like chase it down. Oh my god, I need a music fix.
I'm like shaking right now because I don't want to watch this.
You definitely are gonna love that you had a reaction to this.
I want some music.
What the hell is wrong with this girl?
Oh, not against the music. Oh, do some fist pumping. Oh.
Oh shit, oh shit. Oh!
My sexy music dancing moment.
Okay. If anyone says this is fake, then it's honestly something wrong.
It's obviously real.
Don't you do it. Don't you do it, bitch. Don't do it.
Oh.
I'm so nervous.
I'd be nervous if I had my own tampon in my mouth.
Oh, fuck.
Dude,
Why you
she loves
sucking
it.
on it?
Just think about it. Dude, do you need a garbage can? Do you need a garbage can? Oh fuck. I got this protein thing. I don't even fucking know.
She doesn't throw up, does she? Dude, if she throws up, I'm throwing up all over you.
Dude, okay. I'll open this up.
She oh god.
Just throw up in there if you need to. It'll be great. Come on, dude. It's alright. It's alright.
Okay, well, here it is.
Holy shit.
Yeah. How was that?
Dude, get that out of here. Get it out.
Dude, I'm proud of you. I am so proud of you. I think I got a tear in my eye because I'm just so proud of him. That was a good video. How do you feel? Dude,
go ahead.
how's your stomach? How's your stomach?
I honestly could throw up right now.
No,
I need to throw
I
up.
actually saw it and I was about to throw up myself, and I have a strong stomach to that kind of shit.
I would feel so much better right now if I would just throw up.
Yeah, it gives you a new perspective in life. Just thinking like, you think of all this nasty stuff people have done, but when they actually do it, it really makes
Who the hell sucks on
it's
tampons? What's wrong with
I know. I thought she was gonna eat it, but just thinking about her eat it. You're actually gonna have jelly?
No, I'm putting it away. It just reminds me. I can't eat this. I can't eat this anymore.
You're gonna
Gotta
throw it
throw it away. Fucking period.
Fucking period. So, yeah, I know I haven't made videos about myself in a while, and this video really isn't about me, but who gives a shit?